Hi, everyone. Here's a quick, fun tip to organize your digital life. We have the new tab group feature by Google. So, as you can see, if you look up here at the top, sometimes I've seen people's bars have a million tabs. So, you don't want to lose those tabs. You don't want to close them. Here is what you do. You're going to take like things. So, here is African American History Month, looking at history.com. So, I was working on some social studies stuff, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and click on the tab that I want to pin. I'm going to click on Add Tab to a Group, and I'm going to create a new group, and I'm just going to call it Social Studies. Now I have a Social Studies tab or group, and I can simply click on each tab and slide it in. You see the orange pops over the top of it. Now it means it's part of that group. I'll slide this one in there as well, and then I can collapse that group, and you have a nice clean dashboard. Here you go. These are all my tech tabs, my professional development tabs, and we're taking the kids skiing. So as you can see, easy as 1, 2, 3.